Good morning, friends. We know all about number system. Previous classes we did. So we are going to discuss complex numbers. It is a combination of real numbers and imaginary numbers. So Euler first used I, which is called iota. So sometimes we need to find if it is x square plus 1 equals to 0, it is a quadratic polynomial. So if x square equals to minus 1, x equals to square root of minus 1. So we do not have satisfy any value in these real numbers. So we need to take complex numbers. So root of minus 1 is nothing but I square. So we will get plus or minus I. Two roots will get for quadratic equation. So we will discuss complex numbers. So it is a combination of real part and imaginary part. A plus IB, it is denoting with Z. Here A comma B are real numbers. So every natural number, every whole number, integer, rational number, irrational number, I can express in the form of complex numbers. Suppose 4 is there, 4, I can write 4 plus I into O. It is also one complex number. So in this, we are going to addition of two complex numbers, subtracting, multiplication, division. So suppose if it is Z1 equals to 4 plus 5i, Z2 equals to 3 minus 2i. If you want to add this, so normal algebraic expressions we are adding. So real part adding 7, 5i minus 2i is plus 3i. So Z1 plus Z2 is 7 plus 3i. Suppose if I want to add subtract, Z1 equals to 3 minus 4i, Z2 equals to minus 4 minus 2i. So if I want to add subtract both the complex numbers, how we will subtract in algebraic expressions? We need to change the signs. Below the expression change, below the complex numbers sign I should change. So 3 plus 4 is 7, real part. Minus 4 plus 2i is minus 2i. So it is subtraction, multiplication. Z1 equals to 3 minus 2i. Z2 equals to 4 plus 5i. If I want to multiply, how we will multiply in a algebraic expression? Similar way we will multiply 3 minus 2i into 4 plus 4yi, 4 plus 5i. Two complex number we are multiplying. So 3 into 4, 3 4 that 12, 3 into 5i, 15i, minus 2i into 4, minus 8i, minus 2 into 5, minus 10i square. So here I is square equals to root of minus 1, I square equals to squaring on both sides, we will get minus 1. So here I am simplifying these equations. This equation 12 plus minus 10 into I square is minus 1, minus 10 into minus 1 plus 10, 12 plus 10 is 22, 15 minus 8 is 7i. So it is the product of two uh, complex numbers. Suppose how to multiply, how to divide Z1 divided by Z2 equals to, suppose Z1 is 4 plus 3i into 3 minus 5i. Z2 is 3 minus 5i. So we need to multiply with its conjugate. So conjugate of 3 minus 5i is 3 plus 5i. 3 plus 5i. So multiplying numerators, 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 5i is 20i. 3i into 3 is 9i. 3i into 5i is minus 15. Because 3i into 5 is 15, I square, 15i square, I square is minus 1. So it is look like a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Denominates multiplication. So 12 plus 12 minus 15 is 3 minus 3. 20i plus 9 is 29i by what is the value of 3 square? 9. 5i square is 25i square. 25i square minus, that is minus into minus plus 25. So what I will get? Minus 3 by 34 plus 29 by 34i. So it is division. So if I want to express this in coordinates, so we can write simply minus 3 by 24 and 29 by 34. It is in second quadrant. Suppose if I want to plot the points, so this point is minus 3 by 24 and 29 by 34. It is in second quadrant. So then this y-axis is called imaginary axis. X is called real axis. Real axis. And y-axis is called imaginary axis. Imaginary axis. If I want to find the square root of complex number, suppose z equals to one complex number I'm taking, a plus ib. I need to find the square root of this. So this square root value, we will get some complex number x plus iy. Okay. Now squaring on both sides, we will get a plus ib equals to x plus iy whole square. Expanding by using algebraic formula, x square plus iy square, I square y square, I square y square plus 2x iy. So a plus ib equals to x square minus y square plus 2xyi or 2ixy. So equaling real parts, a value equals to x square minus y square, b equals to 2xy. We have a formula, a plus b whole square equals to, yes, a minus b whole square plus 4xy. So I am finding a plus b whole square equals to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Okay. So x square minus y square is nothing but a square plus 2xy is b. This is 2xy whole square is b square. So x square plus y square whole square equals to a square plus b square, x square plus y square equals to square root of a square plus b square. We have one more value, x square minus y square equals to a. Adding both equations, so we will get 2x square equals to plus y square minus y square cancel, plus or minus root of a square plus b square plus a by 2. These two I'm sending to down. So x equals to, suppose if I want to find x, I should take both sides square root. So this is x value. So suppose if I want to find y value, I need to take same equations. I need to subtract. I'm subtracting both the equations. So I need to change the signs. Plus 2y square equals to root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. Y equals to square root of plus or minus root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. So, so if I want to find x, square root of a square plus b square plus a by 2, y equals to square root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. Thank you.